Alright.
Come on, see, it ain't hard outside. It's just survival of the fittest, so the smart survive. Don't lose sight on yourself, cross their lines, but be careful they won't boss you, cause some lost their minds. And in the end, you're the one who cares most of yourself. I'm here for you, and I will always toast on your wealth. And think you do, is it be a ghost in your shell? But keep it true, to help you to grow for yourself. See, I'm not proud of anything, cause it's given for a reason. But the reason that he is, it's one thing I believe in. I wanna share my sympathies with you and help you see challenges can be opportunities. Chili chocolate, bungee jumping, I don't care about it. Keep it easy with your life, then you'll keep it tear out. You'll have to choose between some wrong directions, but you're always on the lucky side. Passion and perception. Ah, that shit's fast. Okay. Someone do it faster. I never thought that I must be the strongest, but I fight for my way straight, to be honest. I never felt that I have to be right, but I kept adding my path to my sight. Never pretended that my moves were the best, but right now I'm bringing my grooves to the test. Never recorded in the booth to seem wise, but always you're gonna see truth in my eyes. You see what I've been looking for and probably always will. Should help the shook and torn to finally find their flawless skill. You see, real life is all wow. Flow of nature. Hey, give it up for our beatboxers here. Ich muss zugeben, ich bin schon ein bisschen im Öl.
Ja.
Ein bisschen.
Und wir kriegen keinen Hip-Hop zusammen, also.
Das geht schon. Machen wir mal Drum and Bass mit dir oder sowas. Machen wir mal was. Voll.
Drum and Bass, Drum and Bass, Drum and Bass. So wie vor 2 Jahren. Check, check. Back to me. I never been hurt by anyone but myself. Back to me. I never been hurt by anyone but myself. Anyone but myself, and maybe tough to really help to realize that you got what you gave and received, so to stay unruly and enjoy your bubble. It may be hard to not trust your feeling, but think about it, what is the meaning? It may be hard to not trust your meaning, but what? I never thought that I must be the strongest, but I fight one way straight, to be honest. I never felt that I had to be right, but I kept adding my path on my sight. Never pretending I'm always for this, but right now I'm bringing my grooves to the test. Never recording the booth and wise, but always you're gonna see truth in my eyes. You see what I've been looking for and probably always will. Try to help the shifting songs to finally find their flawless skill. Cause for me life is just all about inspiration, not about a crooked war people fight in their imagination. Now if I seek in myself for what I do, I find it.
I'll find it. As long as I don't compare myself to you, I'll find it. I'll find it. Now if I seek in myself for what I do, I'll find it. I'll find it. As long as I don't compare myself to you, I'll find it.
Dankeschön, liebe Leute, fürs Zuhören. Das war's, Beatbox Fusion, the best friends.